Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and this is Lesson 52 Practice Set. It starts on page 371 of your Saxon Course 2 textbook if you want to follow along. I'll be doing a different video on Lesson 52 starred problems. Let's get started. Let's see. Okay, so we are talking about order of operations. This is also known by the acronym Pemdas. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. It's parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. And this is the order in which we need to go in when we are solving these problems. So let's take a look at the first one. We don't have any, if I were going to put Pemdas over here, we don't have any parentheses or exponents. We do have multiplication and we do have division. So I would do those first. So 5 plus 5 times 5 is 25 minus 5 divided by 5 is 1. Now that I have addition and subtraction, I can work from left to right. So this equals 5 plus 25, which is 30 minus 1, which is 29. Okay, let me change colors here. And we'll do the same thing for B. Where's my, okay, there we go. Let me write down our little acronym. We have no parentheses and no exponents, so I'm going to have to start with my multiplication and my division. So nothing happens with the 50 minus. We have 8 times 5 is 40. We bring down the addition symbol. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Now we have addition and subtraction, so we can go, from left to right. So I have 50 minus 40 is 10, plus 2 is 12. Okay, and change colors again. Let me write Pemdas over here. And you're welcome to pause this video and try these for yourself. Here we have an interesting situation where we have it all kind of together. So we're going to multiply first and then we're going to divide. The 24 minus 8 minus just kind of hangs out there. So I get 12 divided by 4 here because this is 12. 24 minus 8 still just going to hang out. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Now, since I have subtraction or addition and subtraction, I can go left to right. 24 minus 8 is 16. Why am I spacing that? And I'm right. Okay. Where's my 16 minus 3 is 13. Okay. You might want to write this down in your spiral. Like I said, you can always pause and come back. All right, so D is a little interesting. So if I Pemdas this, I don't have any parentheses, but I have exponents. So let's do those first. 2 times 2 times 2, 2 to the third power is 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4 times 2, this is 8. So I'm going to rewrite this down here, 8 plus, and then I have 3 squared, which is 3 times 3. It's not 3 times 2. It's 3 times 3. This tells us how many times we're going to multiply 3 by itself. And that's equal to 9. So let me go ahead and rewrite that here. I'm not going to change anything else. Everything else is going to remain. Okay? I'm actually going to change colors. That's all I'm going to do. So I've done exponent. Now I'm on the multiplication. So I have 8 plus 9 plus 2 times 5. So 2 times 5 is 10, so let me rewrite this. 8 plus 9 plus 10 over 3. Now you may say division is next, but I don't know what I'm dividing. So I have to go ahead and finish the top here before I can divide everything out. Okay? So 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 plus 10 is 27. Oh, don't know what happened there. Let's go back. 27. Divided by 3 is 9. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. Oh, what happened there? Let me see if I can erase that. Is it on the last one? Okie dokie. Let me erase. Or just pick a different, hold on. Okay, here we go. Now this says evaluate. And when it says that, and it gives you some letters and it tells you what the letters are, you plug them in. So what I have here is A times B minus B times C. So let me write that out. So A is 5. 5 times 3. Actually, let me do it right underneath it so it makes a little bit more sense. Okay, yeah. So this is going to be 5, because A is 5, times 3 minus 3 times 4. And I know from Pemdas that I need to do the multiplication part first. So 5 times 3 is 15, minus 3 times 4 is 12. 15 minus 12 is 3, and that's my answer. Go ahead and change colors. I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to plug in A, B, and C. So A times B, I have 6 times 4, plus, and then I have 6 divided by 2. Okay, and again, if I PEMDAS this, we don't have any parentheses or exponents, but I'm going to do multiplication. So I have 24 plus 6 divided by 2. So then I need to do division. 24 plus 6 divided by 2 is 3. And then I can add that and get my answers, 27. Okay, last one on this slide. It says x minus x times y if x is 2/3 and y is 3/4. Now fractions are scary and ugly, but we're not afraid at all. We can do this together. So x is 2/3. I'm going to plug that in. Minus, and then I have 2/3 times y is 3/4. So applying PEMDAS, I'm going to have to multiply this first. Okay, so the 2/3 is just going to hang out here, and the subtraction sign is going to hang out too. I have 2 times 3 is 6, and 3 times 4 is 12. Okay, now I have to subtract these, and I need a common denominator. So let's see, I'm going to use 12 as my common denominator. 3 times 4 gives me 12. What I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. And I end up with 4 times 2 is 8 over 12 minus 6 over 12, which gives me 8 minus 6 is 2. Then I have to reduce, and I get 1/6. All right, so this is the beginning of the starred problems. I'm going to go ahead and stop our practice set video here. And if you have any questions, let me know.